Good morning, everyone. This is just another friendly reminder that some of you still need to give me your air challenge on fractions from yesterday. I'm going to go over the answer key and make sure you understand how we got the answers. Those of you that turned it in, I thought that all of you had a phenomenal effort. And just remember that it is a completion grade. So if you did it yesterday, you got 100%. So when the fourth quarter grades are posted, you will see 100% for this assignment. Great job. Okay, to get going, let's start with number one. This is a division of fractions problem. And basically, if you turn the mixed number into an improper fraction right here, and then multiply by the reciprocal, it ends up being a whole number of 18 students. For number two, it's an adding fraction one. The common denominator I would have used is 12. And I really thought this was the best problem on the whole paper. You guys did a nice job. Most of you got this correct. It was 6 pieces left over. A lot of you that may not have got the 6 pieces left over at least got that they had eaten a total of 30 pieces. So you guys did a really good job on this one. For number three, again, it was a dividing fraction problem where you multiply by the reciprocal, and the answer was 7. For number four, I was really impressed because I thought this was maybe the hardest problem on here. A lot of you got $320 for your answer, and that's a great job. There's two different ways I showed you could have had that. But then you had to take it a step further and you had to find 3/4 of $320, which gives you $240. So I did give people credit yesterday when I was looking at it. If you got the $320, I gave the partial credit as credit when I was just quick spot checking them. But you really should have taken it a step further, and to get the full credit, if this would have been a grade, you would have also had to have found 3/4 of that $320. But good job to those of you that did get at least the 320. Number five was by far the hardest problem for the team, and it was because of this right here. It said her class eats 4/5 of her pan of brownies. So Mariah then has a friend that eats 1/3 of what is left. So you have to figure out what is left first. If the class ate 4/5, that means 1/5 is left. So 1/3 of a fifth gives you a 15th, and that was the most missed problem. And then in the last one, you had to find the difference. And when you do that, a common denominator of 40 would work. And most of you that tried this did get something close to this, or at least you had the common denominator idea right, and the answer was 11/40. So thank you, that those of you that completed it. Appreciate your time and effort, and we'll get going with a new lesson today.